after completing the chapter 1, let's we start in chapter 2, fraction. Fraction and its properties, everything is uploaded in another video. Let's we start the exercise 2a. Here, question number 1, compare the fraction. Compare the fractions. First question, 5 by 8 and 7 by 12. Whenever we will compare it, we have to multiply 5 into 12 and 8 into 7. 12 5s are 60 and 8 7s are 56. Which one is greater? 60 is greater than 56. So 5 by 8 is greater than 7 by 12. Question number 1 is completed. Like the same, you will do the rest question. In question number 2, arrange the following fractions in ascending order. 3 by 4, 5 by 6, 7 by 9 and 11 by 12. Here, make all the fraction like make all the fraction in like fraction. Take the LCM of 4, 6, 9 and 12. 4, 6, 9 and 12. It will be divided by 3. 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. 2 3 are 6 and 6 6 6 are 36. The LCM is 36. Okay. Now 3 by 4, make it in a like fraction. So 36 will be divided by 4, we get 12. And here we have to multiply it in both fractions, numerator and denominator. So 12 3 are 36. Sorry, 36 divided by 4, 9. And we will multiply it by 9. So 9 3 are 27 by 36. This one. Again 5 by 6. 36 is divided by 6. We get 6. So we will multiply it by 6. 30 by 36. Another. 7 by 9. 36 will divided by 9. We get 4. We will multiply it by 4. So 7 4 are 28 by 36. And rest last one 11 by 12. 36 will be divided by 12. We get 3. So it will be multiplied by 3. 11 3 are 33 and 12 3 are 36. In everywhere we will see 36 is in the place of denominator. It makes a like fraction. Here, which one is greater? Now see 27, 30, 28 and 33. So 27 is smaller than among all. After that 28, then 30 and last one 33. So these are 27 by 36 28 by 36, 30 by 36, and last one 33 by 36. 27 by 36 is smaller than 28 by 36. 28 by 36 is smaller than 30 by 36, and 30 by 36 is smaller than 33 by 36. The question, here we see 27 by 36 is the smallest form, or what the question has said, 3 by 4. So we will write 3 by 4, comma 28 by 36 is the value of 7 by 9. So 7 by 9. Again 30 by 36, the value is here 5 by 6, and last one 11 by 12. So these are the answer of it, and these are arranged here in ascending order. Question is, arrange the following fraction in descending order. The same previous question, question number 2, like, arrange them in a like fractions and greater to a smaller. We'll arrange, and question number 3 will be solved on the same process. Now question number 4, Renu got 2 by 7 part of an apple while Sonal got 4 by 5 part of it. Who got the larger part and by how much? Renu got 2 by 7 part of an apple while Sonal got 4 by 5 part of it. Who got larger part? So make them 2 by 7 and 4 by 5, both have making a like fraction. Take the LCM. LCM of 7 and 5 is equal to 35. So 2 by 7 will be multiplied by 5 by 5. It makes 10 by 35. Again 4 by 5 will be multiplied it by 7 by 7. Here 28 by 35. Which one is greater? 28 is greater than 10. So 28 by 35 minus 10 by 35. It means Sonal got more than Renu. When we subtract it, 35 is the LCM. 28 minus 10 is equal to 18 by 35. Who got the larger part? So Sonal got the larger part because the value of 4 by 5 is 28. So Sonal got the larger part, and by how much? So when we subtracted the larger part from the smaller part, we get the answer. So 18 by 35. Hence, in question number 5, find the sum. Five by 9 plus 3 by 9. As it is given in the property, both fraction, both rational number, the denominator will be the same. So the denominator will become the LCM and numerator will be added. So 5 plus 3, 8. 8 by 9 is the answer of this question. But when the denominator will be differ, so that time we have to take the LCM of it. 8 by 9 plus 7 by 12. Take the LCM of 9 and 12. LCM of 9 and 12. 3 3 ja 9 and 3 4 ja 12. So 3 into 3 into 4, 3 3 ja 9 and 4 ja 36. LCM of 9 and 12 is 36. By shortcut method, 36 is the LCM. 8 into 9 4 ja plus 7 into 12 3 ja. 8 4 ja 32 plus 7 3 ja 21 by 36. 2 plus 1 3 and 3 plus 2 5. 53 by 36. This this one the answer of this question. Number 6. Find the difference. 5 by 7 minus 2 by 7. The same. Both place in the both denominator, both places is 7. The LCM will be 7 and numerator will be subtracted. Denominator will remain the same. So 3 by 7 is the answer. In question number 5, 3 whole 3 by 10 minus 1 whole 7 by 50. Here it will be make the whole number, this one the mixed fractions, and we have to change it into improper fraction. 3 10 ja 30 plus 3 33, 33 by 10 minus 15 1 ja 15 plus 7 22, 22 by 15. Take the LCM of 10 and 15, it makes 30. 33 into 3 minus 22 into 2. 33 into 3 99 and 22 into 2 44 by 30. So sorry, the sign is here negative, minus 55 by 30. This one the answer. When we subtract 3 whole 3 by 10 minus 1 whole 7 by 15, the answer is 55 by 30. Simplify. In question number 7, simplify. 8 minus, question number 2, 8 minus 4 whole 1 by 2 minus 2 whole 1 by 4. The question is given. Hope it is visible for you. So 8 minus 4 2 ja 8 plus 1 9, 9 by 2 minus 4 2 ja 8 1 9, 9 by 4. The LCM of it is 4, 8 into 4 minus 9 into 2 minus 9. Because here in the place of 8, nothing is in the place of denominator. So we know 1 is always laying in that place. Improper fraction, this one the mixed fractions, it has to change into improper fraction, and again this one. So take the LCM of 1 2 and 4, we get the LCM is 4. So if 1 is divided 4 is divided by 1, we get the remainder, we get the quotient 4. So 8 into 4 minus 4 is divided by 2, we get the answer 2. 2 will be multiplied here 9. So 9 into 2 and minus 4 is the 4 divided by 4, we get the answer 1. 1 will be multiplied here 9. 4 3 8 4 is 32 minus 9 2 is 18 minus 9 by 4. Here look, 32 has positive sign, but 18 and 9 both have the negative sign. So 32 minus 27 by 4. 32 minus 27 is 5. 5 by 4 is the answer of it. Okay. So till question number 7 you will solve, and in the next video I will solve from question number 8 to 16. Hope you will do it by yourselves and rest is okay. Thank you.